Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are making a classic, easy Florida tomato pie. First thing I wanna do is take my biscuits, and we're gonna put a few of them in there, and what I wanna do is just kinda spread them around, press them down a little bit. So there we go, we've got our biscuits pressed into our baking pan, which is gonna make a great crust. Now let's go ahead and start working with our Florida tomatoes. What I want to do is squeeze out a little bit of this extra liquid in here. All right, so we've squeezed out our Florida tomatoes, and now we can go ahead and cut them and start layering them right in our crust. Now that we have one layer of tomatoes, what we want to do is season this up nicely. So I've got my seasoning blend here. It's a little bit of an Italian seasoning blend. We're gonna take a little bit of fresh thyme as well, sprinkle that on, and then of course we've got this fresh basil, and I'm gonna make a layer of basil leaves. Now we're quickly gonna make our topping. I've got a little over a cup here of shredded cheese. Now I use my favorite cheese, so this is sharp cheddar, and a little Colby Jack. I'm gonna add about a cup of mayonnaise. And we're also gonna add a little bit of Florida hot sauce. Now this is a Daddle Florida hot sauce, really delicious. Just gonna carefully spread this around. This looks absolutely delicious, and more importantly, it smells even better. So this recipe and many other amazing Florida tomato recipes are on our website. And I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.